If you ever experience a situation that's preventing normal operation, CleanBlast Pro is equipped with several service indicators to inform you of the issue. On the left front panel is the maintenance LED, which will illuminate either yellow, which is a warning, or red as an error. In this case here, it's illuminated red, and the error will appear directly on the LCD screen. This is informing us right now that the pressure sensor readings are out of normal range. In addition to this illuminating red, if I try to operate the device right now, it'll give me an audible tone telling me that there's an error. For me to address this issue, if I press the dial button, the message will go away, but the LED will still be present. I could always navigate to my current warnings from the main menu, and it'll give me that warning message, error message once again. Now we're going to go ahead and make that error message go away by increasing the pressure of the air. Now we've turned the air pressure back up. So now you've noticed that the maintenance indicator has gone away and my air pressure has now gone back up to 94.7 psi, and everything is operating as it should. And that's a quick overview of the service indicators on the CleanBlast Pro.